What's up, y'all? What's up? My name is Rabi Jones and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so the last time I did a video about how to remove a background in your images and all those things, and I think that website it's outdated. They are no longer using it, so I'm going to show you the new website that we use for the background removal. So first of all, open your Google and just in the search the search query, just type in remove background. You see I have already searched it here, and just click on it. So it's going to load up, and first thing that you're going to say is remove background from image dash remove.bg. This is the first website that we were using, but now it's outdated, so we don't use that anymore. But the second one, that's the Adobe website. Yes, so you're going to click on the second link and it's going to load out for you just like so. Let's wait. Yes, so this is the main page where you're going to upload your image and take out the background. So you see we have upload your photo here. Just click on it and it's going to open up where you need to load your image and get the background removed. So let's wait a few minutes. Okay, so it's either you click on the browse on your device or you drag in the image. For this, I'm going to drag in the image. I have my image here, and I brought it in for my secondary monitor, which you don't see. So I'm just going to drop it in here like this, and automatically the website is going to take out the background within a couple of minutes. It's going to remove the background and refine the edges, and you're good to go. So let's just wait a few minutes and see. Yes, so it is as simple as anything, and as you can see right here, it has taken off the background. There's this problem that I encountered once. I clicked on the download and it came as a different file. So instead of clicking on the download, you can right click on the image here and click on save image as. So save image as is going to come as a PNG format. You just select the folder you want to save the image in and you just click on save. So right now I've saved it into my download folder and you're good to go. So it is very simple, and the moment you do like you create a first one, you just type in remove like this, RE, and you're going to have the background in the how do you call it, the history search that you've already done. So you just click on the free background remover right here. Instead of going through the first procedure that I went through, it's just going to take you straight through to the website, and that is it. Yeah, so guys, that will be it for the tutorial. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.